Here we have a 2017 67 plate Mercedes-Benz E220D AMG line. Now on this vehicle you do get the AMG style alloy wheels in 20-inch. They are in black and silver and really do make this car stand out. We have the LED headlights as well as the black Panamerica style front grille, black front splitter, and you also have the chrome front badge. Now we do have the blacked out styling on this vehicle, so you get the privacy glass on the rear, and you do also get the black window trim. Now you do get front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Black rear strip on the bottom, on the boot, with a nice spacious sized boot, storage net on the left hand side, and I'll pop that back down again. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now, as you can see, we do have the half leather and half suede throughout. Ice fix points just down there, pull down armrest with two nice size cup holders and also storage just in there as well. Storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat, electric windows, black ashwood trim and be lighting underneath, and your integrated speakers just there in the rear. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Electrically adjustable, and both driver and passenger seats are also heated. Multifunction steering wheel with touchpads on either side. You also can see this vehicle has done just over 35,220 miles. Screen in the centre there as well with satellite navigation, your rear reversing camera, different drive modes, DAB radio, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity. And there's a look at the centre console. We have your heated seats on the doors just there. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all the specifications that this vehicle comes with. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT. We do have competitive delivery finance. Thank you very much for watching.